create transcripts, do you use the same settings for every student? Or do you have different groups of settings for different groups of students? For example, do you have a set of settings for junior high versus high school students? Or a different set of settings for different colleges, like a community college or state or university? Or do you offer different degree programs and you want to have different transcript settings if they're an RN, an EKG, or a CNA? Well, transcript profiles can help you automate a lot of this work. And I'll show you exactly how to set that up. Go to Transcripts, Options, Manage Report Profiles. By default, you'll have one profile called General. Select General to rename it, then press Submit Changes. Next, select the profile, press Duplicate, rename it, and then press Submit Changes. Next, select one of those profiles, and we're going to go ahead and customize it together. To customize the settings, click Edit. Most of the options allow you to enter a yes or a no, but some have some other values. The popular options include Transcript Date field. A yes means you'll see today's date on the transcript. And this is handy if you want to show the date the transcript was created. Show Test on Transcript. A yes means the test from the Test and Awards section will appear on the transcript. And Hide in Progress text. A yes will hide the phrase in progress from a year-long or semester-long class which is not yet finished. For example, if a student is in government or economics and the class is not over yet, you want to show it on the transcript, but you don't want the term in progress to show. When you're ready to generate a transcript, press Options and select the profile that you want to use. And while you're here, you can adjust some other options, such as show graduation requirements on the transcript and report on grade levels between 9th through 12th grade. Press Save Changes, click View Transcript, and select a student. The student's transcript will appear using the profile that you've just configured. And that's it. It's that easy to go ahead and customize the settings. I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, contact our customer support. We're happy to help you.